Hi angels, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're gonna fail making a Cyanotype crop top. I made so much mistake in this, but you live and you learn through your mistake. So the Cyanotype kit I got from Amazon. It's 2 parts. You add some water in both parts, shake it up, and then you put it in a spray bottle like what I'm doing here, or however you want to do it. I decided just spraying it on would be so much easier. And that's it. So let me tell you where all of the problems started. So you're supposed to mix it up, let it sit for 24 hours, spray it onto your shirt or whatever, let it dry for 24 hours. After it's dried, then you can add on there your picture, whatever you want to do, and then let it sit for like 30 minutes or so in the sun, and that should be good. So you mix up the Cyanotype kit for 24 hours. You spray it on there. You let the clothes dry for 24 hours before you add the picture on there. I obviously did not do none of that. Not a single step did I do. So I add this cutout that I got from Amazon. I just wanted to see how it looks because I didn't have any photo negatives. So I thought, let me just try out this to see how it would look. And then we can just move on from there. About this sunscreen from Amazon, because I live in Ohio and honestly, it has been raining every single day. There's no sun outside, and I was right. The sun did not come out today. So I thought this would be better. By the way, you have to put something in between a shirt and you have to put a glass on top of the photo that you're trying to get transferred on there. And after everything, you just wash it off in some water. At this point, I was like, oh my God, it's not going to transfer on there good. It did a little bit, but obviously it wasn't that perfect. I just rinse it out, scrub it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Obviously, I totally messed up on this, so I'm going to try it again just to see how it turned out. This time, I'm going to make a tote bag before I try to ruin another shirt. So yeah, this is just how it looks. And this is how it's looking now. I'm gonna let it dry. You can still see the image, but I should have spaced off where I wanted the photo and everything to be instead of spraying it all over the shirt. I think that just messed it up. Maybe could have saved it. Who knows? But the image is still there. Yep. Okay, you guys can see that this is a fail. Obviously, you can't quite see the picture that well, but I'm gonna try to remake it, so hopefully it will look better. Oh, it still looks good. No, it doesn't. This video is very short, but you can't really see what is on the shirt. You can't make out the designs or anything like that. So, back to the drawing board. Bye, guys.